Good morning from Singapore. That's the last time I'm going to get to say that. We are leaving this beautiful view and this beautiful city, and today we're getting on a bus and we're going to Malaysia. We always do this when we stress out about getting somewhere on time, and now we're half an hour early waiting for the bus in the dark.
The bus is probably going to be late.
Like we said on the last video, we got a convenience store breakfast. Never seen anything like this before. We don't have anything like this in Australia. And it's like
It's got white chocolate.
a little raisin bun. No, it says something Hokkaido cream, whatever that is. Oh, no, that's just bun. Very sweet,
Is it?
but very soft and fluffy. That's good.
It's got raisins.
Yeah, I just thought, raisin toast breakfast, less like a dessert for
How
breakfast.
much sugar you are inhaling right now. All I know is
It's
we're going
good
to be
anyway.
very high on the bus. We've nowhere to go.
2 hours later.
The bus is here.
Where?
It's massive.
Really?
Here it comes now. Oh, he stopped. Okay, maybe not.
Maybe it's not. That's just a public bus.
False alarm. I think this is the bus. Is this our bus? Oh no, it's not our bus.
WB3999Y. I didn't see a Y on the end of that.
Oh, what? False alarm again. I promise you, Megan, this is our bus.
Are you sure?
Our bus is finally here. How
Number
late is
three.
it?
We've been waiting for an hour, but we were early. Just name or seat number 13 and 14? Yeah, that's me.
Thank you. This is the bus.
It's just late.
Yeah, it's late. Here we go, guys. First luxury bus ever. I can see a microwave.
Oh, we're going upstairs.
We're going upstairs, mate.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Oh, lovely. That's 19.
Yeah.
We're going to have a friend.
And nobody books that.
Oh,
Guys, I have done a good job here.
well done.
So what's happening is we're fully blocked off from the rest of the bus. I hope they can't hear me talking. So we've got this screen, and apparently there's a TV here, but we'll give you a little rundown later. This is going to be a good day.
So we have a 5.5 hour drive to Malaysia today.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if that includes all of like the immigration and being, checked out of Singapore and checked into Malaysia, but I just find that so cool that we are literally going to cross into a country on a 5.5
bus.
hour drive, especially coming from Western Australia. That's just like a normal daily drive for us in the outback. So we give you a little tour around our chairs. So Jack's chair massages, mine doesn't, but that's okay. We have a little table here, and I think we get food.
Yes, we do.
We have a screen that has movies.
I'm currently watching Lee Chong Wei, whatever that means.
Oh, there's so many movies, although we don't have these types of headphones, so maybe we'll be watching silent movies for the day. There's actually another TV screen that pops out here.
Press it.
Which one is it again? This one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Luxury, mate.
does it even work though?
It does work.
And what, you can watch this sort of stuff. Oh, here we go.
Well, we don't know how it works, but
It's pretty cool
I
anyway.
think we're just going to put that away before it starts making noise.
And then I think this is like a radio, and I'm guessing you plug in headphones to that we don't have as well. We've got a little footrest that pops out.
Out.
It's already like half out though.
Oh, okay, what about mine? There we go. Oh, so you press this button. Oh, nah. So what we've gathered is that there's a few things not working, but it's still very
Still
luxury.
cool. Over on this side, we also have a USB charger. We haven't tested that yet. We've got a cup holder and then some more little storage over here as well.
Yep.
These reading lights don't work, but the aircon does.
And then the seat comes out.
Oh yeah, your little footrest thing pops out. Oh,
Yeah.
now I'm getting stuck. So yeah, that comes out.
But the main thing, guys, is the chairs are incredibly comfortable.
Yeah.
That's all we're really worried
I
about.
could go to sleep on these.
We do not know what we're in for scenery wise, so it's going to be very interesting to see as we leave Singapore City what the scenery is going to look like.
Yeah, and that was the main reason that we booked the bus rather than just getting an hour flight. Would have been much quicker and probably around the same price, but we really wanted to see
Yeah.
Malaysia as we come into it because we've never been before. We're not sure where we are, but we're just following the crowd and we're told to bring our passports.
I think this is Singapore immigration.
Oh, okay.
So let us through to Malaysia. Then we stop at another immigration spot in Malaysia where they check our bags.
Checkpoint 1 done. So all we had to do was scan our passports, look in the camera, and it was done.
Yeah,
Simple.
so easy.
Now over to the Malaysian side to do immigration, and that's when they check our bags. Apparently we don't need a visa or anything. They just let us in for 3 months. So let's hope I've done my research right.
Hopefully.
We're in Malaysia.
And officially say, welcome to Malaysia.
Hey, welcome to our 3rd country.
Only our 3rd ever immigration, what's it called? Crossing thing, but by far the easiest and quickest. We're just like in and out.
I thought it was going to take hours, but it was literally like 3 minutes and we were out. So we're in Malaysia.
So excited to be here, and we haven't actually said where exactly we're going, so we're going straight up to Kuala Lumpur today.
Yep, and we have not planned anything.
It's supposed to be Jack's job to plan.
I'll
He
plan.
did a good job with the bus though, I'll give him that.
Anyway, we're going to sit back, relax, and just take it all in, eh?
Yeah.
And we'll see you when some food comes out. Thank you. Yeah.
Do I have food envy?
Yes, you will. When you're booking the tickets, you only get a choice between vegetarian or meat, and they don't tell you what it is. Mine looks like it's sweet and sour chicken. What is yours?
Maybe like a tofu noodle?
What is it?
It tastes like chicken. Maybe it's that
Oh, it's a fake
vegan chicken. It really does taste just like chicken though. Now what? This is so heavy. Swap with me.
We'll swap.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we have arrived. We've got about a 15-minute walk to our hotel, but that was like the shortest 5 hours ever. And also I fell asleep. I fell asleep and we were like in the jungle, in the greenery, and now we've woken up into this giant city.
There's just sky rises everywhere, eh?
I've never seen a city like this before in my life, so this is pretty cool.
Alright, thank you very much. Thank you.
We made it.
Uh-huh. Well, I guess you're going to get first impressions with us, Docs.
Oh wow, so spacious.
Not bad.
This is huge compared to Singapore, isn't it?
Pretty good.
Oh my gosh, Jack, guess what we have?
What?
2 pillows each.
We need 2 pillows because you need to put one in between your legs and you sleep on one with your head. And one thing we've noticed in Malaysia and Singapore now is you can actually plug in your Australian appliances straight into that.
Yeah, that's a cool view too.
There you go, the big city, guys.
Awesome. We got a lot of food. I had a craving for butter chicken, and then as soon as we got here, I realized I actually really wanted a tikka masala because I felt like something a little bit spicy. And then the waiter said, "Do you like spicy?" And Jack said no, and I was like, "Yeah," because we're sharing all of the food. So
And then he
we
looked
got-
at us and smiled.
So a little bit scared to try this one, but we just got some steamed rice and also some garlic naan, which looks amazing. Also, this is our new bad habit that we seem to have picked up in Asia.
Cheap Cokes.
Coke Zero with almost every meal. It's keeping us going. So
I
what do
reckon-
we try first?
That one.
Okay,
Tikka masala. Is it good?
really good. It's really rich.
Yeah,
Like,
I knew
I'm
you were going to
glad
say that.
the portions are small because oh my gosh, we're going to be, I can already tell we're going to be so stuffed by the end of this.
I got to
But
try.
it's delicious. And it's not spicy either, so you'll be fine.
It's not spicy. No. Oh my god, that's amazing.
We're actually a little bit pooped today. Maybe that 5 a.m. wake up knocked us back a little bit
Yep.
today. So we're going to leave you there. Make sure you subscribe to join us around Malaysia, which we're so excited to travel. So we'll see you on the next one.